Hi guys, it's Angela from Wyllie's Travel Adventures. Just to let you know, we're heading to Blackpool today, so we're staying in the Lyndene Hotel, which we stayed in last time. I'll still do another room tour, just in case it's a different layout of room. We're going to a show at the Grand tonight called Sunday Night at the Grand. Should be good, with all entertainers from Blackpool. And then, yeah, I don't know what we're doing on Monday or Tuesday, because we've been to Blackpool that many times, we'll run out of options. But we might have a look around the Winter Gardens tomorrow if it's open. I don't know what the weather's going to be like. I think it's going to be a bit showery tomorrow, but we shall see. So I'm going to be driving, because hubby can't drive at the minute. So I'm going to be driving down the road, hence why I'm doing this in the house. So we haven't done a vlog for a while, so everybody likes Blackpool, so thought we'd do another one from there. Please like and subscribe when you see the videos. We need 500 subscribers and I'm on about 391 now, so yeah, I better get going and we'll see you later when we get to Blackpool. Good afternoon, we've just arrived at Blackpool. It took just over the hour and a half because we had to stop off at a service station on the way because my bladder doesn't hold out, does it, David? So we just checked in, know what my room number is, but it's not ready yet. So we're just going to have a wee walk along the promenade. We're both a bit peckish, I think, so I don't know what we're going to do for food. That's always on the back of everybody's mind, is what are you going to eat, what are you going to do? So unfortunately I can't just swing you around on this phone. I'm going to have to stop it and start again. Okay, so I've just swung you around now. So I'll show you where the location is. So there's a tower in the distance. We are staying over there in the Lyndene. We stayed there the last time, quite enjoyed it. So I'm not sure where our room is, but we've got a sea view room. So it's obviously one of them on the front, we hope. I'll swing you around. And there's the big one in the distance. And Pleasure Beach is open today, but unfortunately it's shut on a Monday and Tuesday at the moment. And that's obviously my days off, so we will get there eventually to do a vlog and for me to go on some of the rides. Maybe it's not Easter, but we're off from the 20th of April, so we might sneak a little visit to the Pleasure Beach, but it's expensive because David doesn't really go on any of the rides, do you, dear? So I've got to pay full price for him. Gone are the days where you could just walk in free, which was much better, wasn't it? He goes on some of the rides, don't you? But not many. So I have to get his money's worth as well as my money's worth. So we'll see what the opening times are like later on in April. We might just come down for the day to go at the Pleasure Beach. But when we come down for a day, we always want to stay, don't we? That's the problem. Yep. So luckily we've managed to get a space. It must be very busy again. It always seems to be busy, the Lyndene, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's a bit like the Viking, it's always busy as well. That's another one we stay in. So we've just found out they do all inclusive as well, but you've got to stay Monday to Friday or Friday to Sunday or Monday, or you can do Sunday night to the following Friday. So it's an idea for the future, isn't it, David? Yeah, so I'll probably ask for prices and things just in when it's on, because I don't know whether it'll be on every single week. Anyways, I'm rabbiting on, so we're just having a wander along the seafront, and it's lovely and sunny. A bit breezy on the front, isn't it? But it's nice, that's the main thing. And there's quite a lot of folk milling about. So there it is, the Lyndene. tides. Don't know whether it's going out or coming in. Not too sure. So I'll pause it for now and we'll see you all a bit later on. We've just walked a bit further along. We're at the central pier. It's nice to see the piers open because the last time we came they were shut. There's even people sitting on the beach, look. Yeah. What a lovely day though, isn't it, David?
It's a nice day.
Grand.
Feels a bit blue, but
Yeah. There's a big one in the distance. So we're just doing this until our room's ready and then we'll wander back and get changed and out again. We've got to have something to eat before the show. We're going to see the Sunday night at the Grand in conjunction with the Lyndene where we're staying. And have lots of Blackpool entertainers on. Singers, comedians, dancers. And I wanted to go last year but we never got, so bought a couple of tickets for this year. So it should be good. Fun palace over there. Coming up to Madame Tussauds and the aquarium and things. I'm not going to walk much farther, I don't think. Because we'll be doing it all again later, won't we, David?
Yep.
So, we'll catch you later on, guys. See you soon. So we're on the central pier and everything's open today, so we're just going to have a wander along the pier and I'm not going to talk.
Game it up.
Feel so close to you. Okay, ready? So if anyone driving with a small tail, please place your arm over the front of their chest so it keeps their face away from the safety bar. If anyone driving with long loose hair, please try and tie it up or tuck it in to the best of your ability. Us right now. There's no stopping us right now. Okay, ready to wrap up time now?
No, thank you. Wouldn't want to go on now. So we're just having a wee pit stop in Pirates Bay, which is on the central pier. The last time we were in here, they wouldn't let you film in here, but I'm just sneaking a one here now.
Right, so you see the shark, what about you?
Kiddies show going on at the moment.
Fish as well. Okay, and you still
This is the
here?
view out the window.
Have you remembered where you come from? Have you seen the shark? No! No, I'll tell you what, let's join in with the game. Let's have... Say that again?
David.
Alright, okay. Let's start with a quick game of musical
So I've been naughty and filming in here, so I'll put it away now.
You can run around, you can hop.
Hi guys, we're here at the Lyndene checking in. I've already checked in. So we're in room number 8. So I'll just knock on the door. And it's a completely different room. Anybody home?
Still here.
And we've got a bay window this time. We've got a choice of beds. We've got a double. And we've got 2 singles. So we've been upgraded a bit, haven't we?
Yeah.
Television on the wall. So we've got a coffee making there. Some drawers. And then we've got a lovely sea view. This is far nicer than the one we had in the October, November time. Lovely view. It's so warm in here. So we've got 2 chairs. And then we've got another chair there. And there's David, he comes with the room.
There's another chair there.
Yeah, we've got another chair there. And we've got a closet. Cupboard, wardrobe, closet, whatever you want to call it. With a safe. And the Pier de Resistance that we haven't been in yet is the bathroom. Let's have a look. Oh God, you can see my hand. Sorry about that, guys. Oh. And so, yeah, quite a big bathroom, isn't it? Walk-in shower. Toilet. Heated rack, which is red hot. I've just put my hands on it. There's the sink. Hi guys. Yep. Could do with a lick of paint, but apart from that, it's grand. Obviously, last time we were here, we were just in a double room with just 1 bed. But looks like we've been upgraded a bit, haven't it, David? Because we just asked for a sea view double.
Yeah.
And we've gotten 4 beds. We could have the grandkids down if
No chance.
the schools had been off.
I know some.
Oh, David's like Victor Meldrew. Honestly to God, he would have the time of his life with the kids here. Yep, and there's 2 sets of drawers there against each bed. What more do you want?
Exactly.
Yeah, and there's a chest of drawers between the 2 single beds as well. So if I fall out with them tonight, I've got a choice of 2 beds here.
Yeah, it depends how much snoring you do.
He needn't talk with his snoring and goodness knows what else. Anyways, so that's the room. So we'll get going and get ready for tonight's capers. And we'll see you later, guys. Bye for now.